Give us a thumbs up if you used to be scared of cooties as a kid. I know I was. But things change the older we get. We grow curious about others, and sometimes when love is in the air, it leads to kissing. Who knew that something that seemed so gross before could become heart-stopping and butterfly-inducing? Here are 6 juicy facts about kissing. 1. You learned to kiss before you were even born. Sounds weird, right? But according to a German researcher, he discovered that 2/3 of the hundreds of couples he observed tilted their heads to the right. He theorizes that this instinct stems from the time we were in the womb, where we naturally tilt our heads in the same direction. 2. Kissing is actually good for you. Except when you're sick, of course. But seriously, the list of kissing benefits seems endless. As a natural face workout, it can help you burn between 2 to 26 calories per minute, prevents cavities from developing thanks to saliva production, and reduces your stress and anxiety levels. We also want to point out that your lips are 100 times more sensitive than your fingertips, so the more you kiss, the more your endorphins are released, making you feel happier. Maybe romance really does heal. 3. You can make a career out of kissing. It's called philomatology, and it's the scientific study of kissing. Experts say it mainly originated from the Western world, where people are more open to displaying public affection. But as the practice grew and people were curious to learn more about it, philomatology eventually spread to places like Japan and Africa too. Who says kissing only had to be reserved for love when you can make a living out of it? 4. We kissed long before we knew how to read or write. You see it at the end of personalized cards and letters all the time. Love always, XOXO. But these letters have a history behind them. Historians discovered that back in the Middle Ages, when many people couldn't read or write, they would mark X as their signature and kiss the document to show their sincerity. 5. People remember their first kiss more vividly than the first time they have sex. It's funny how much Hollywood advertises sex when a first kiss holds more value. After studying 500 participants, psychologist John Bohannon from Butler University found that most of them recalled up to 90% of their first romantic kiss, which was far more than what they could remember about their first sexual encounter. 6. We kiss to test the waters. Ever wonder why we kiss? It turns out we kiss to find a good mate. In journalist Cheryl Kirschenbaum's book, The Science of Kissing, What Our Lips Are Telling Us, she mentions that we learn whether someone is a good match for us from the way they kiss us, ranging from their commitment level to genetic compatibility. Did these facts make you look at kissing differently? Also, have you seen our video on 5 differences between having a crush and falling in love? Please subscribe to join our community of Psych2Goers. We have kisses!